I received a toy from one company called Topbright, so I want to surprise the kids and we can play with this toy downstairs because it's so nice and cool downstairs. Just gotta Okay guys, let's go downstairs. I got a surprise for you.
Daddy, not surprise.
Let's go downstairs to the basement. Come on. You ready?
Okay. Daddy. Daddy.
What do you think? It's called a city ramp racer. I chose this one for you guys because I thought you're gonna love cars. So let's see how it looks. Do we need to put it together or not?
Yeah.
Ooh, I like that it's put together. That's easy. I was worried I'd have to like put it all together. Look at that.
Not yet.
There we go.
Oh, that's the gas.
Put it up here. Let's see what happens. That's so cool. The cars flip and it goes like this. That's really cool. I've never seen something like that. Watch. That's cool. So you can find this in Amazon, and they have other toys as well, like sensory, fine motor skills toys, and the company is Topbright. So yeah, it's a lot of fun.
Here you go.
What number is this?
1.
1, James. Look, it's 1. Green car.
No.
I think I'm definitely gonna have to check out the rest of their toys they have. That is pretty fun.
Faster. Right?
It says here, learning visual perception skills, hand-eye coordination, and fine motor skills.
Pink